Hey everyone, welcome back to Big Team Tuts channel. In today's video we are looking at another Windows 11 Insiders preview. Microsoft is now rolling out Windows 11 build 22468,100 for compatible devices enrolled into the dev channel of the Microsoft Windows 11 Insider program. This release represents the third preview from the active development branch, and it's a small update with minor visual changes, and a slew and lots of fixes. Here's the full changelog for today's build. Added an option to turn off showing recent searches when hovering over the search icon in the taskbar. The option is under Taskbar Behaviors in Taskbar Settings. When you click a VPN connection in VPN settings, you can now see some stats about the connection. Mitigated a rare Explorer.x initialization hang related to loading the network icon. Improved reliability of showing the flyout when hovering over the search icon in the taskbar. If you navigate to the search icon in the taskbar using the keyboard, navigating away will now dismiss the recent searches flyout. The options when right-clicking recent files displayed when searching for certain apps like Word should work now when you select them. If you right-click files in OneDrive locations in File Explorer, the context menu will no longer unexpectedly dismiss when you hover over entries that open sub-menus, like Open With. Double-clicking a network folder to open it will no longer unexpectedly try to pin it to quick access instead of opening it. Addressed an issue where certain drives were unexpectedly not displaying in defragment and optimize drives. We've resolved the issue preventing MDM enrolled PCs from successfully updating to the previous build. These devices are now unblocked from updating to the latest build. Fixed an issue that could cause unexpected flickering in certain apps, such as Microsoft Edge when using multiple monitors with different refresh rates. Mitigated a display-related issue that was causing some insiders to experience an increase in bug checks in recent flights. Did some work to address an issue where the Windows Update icon in the taskbar might display but suddenly disappear when you hovered over it. Addressed a rare issue with certain devices after sleep where Wi-Fi would get stuck in an off state and trying to toggle it back on wouldn't work. Mitigated an issue for certain devices that could cause the system to freeze in some scenarios. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video.